Hello! In today's video I will show you how to change the lever to open the bonnet on a Mercedes W124. Okay, the reason why I'm changing that is because where the cable get fitted here, okay, this little part broke, so I tried to fix it with some fiberglass, but it didn't hold. Okay, so I bought the other part, which was very cheap anyway, and now is the time to make the video for it. Okay, as you can see, that's the part we're having a problem with. Okay, it obviously doesn't work, so to remove it we're gonna use that hole, and we're gonna take a Phillips screwdriver, a star one. We're gonna place it inside, and we're gonna unscrew the part inside. We don't have to remove it fully. Okay, so now when it is unscrewed, you don't have to remove it completely. Okay, why? Because let me show you. The screw goes inside here. Okay, so it's stuck here, but when you unscrew it a little bit, it gives you a gap, so you can slide it down and pull it away. Okay, so this is exactly what we'll do. Look how it's fitted. It's fitted at the back and it clips here. Okay, so once it's removed a little bit, you pull it a bit down, okay, and then towards you. Okay, and you see the screw stays here and goes inside. Okay, so now I remove the cable. There we go, and now I've got the part. Okay, so that's the one that's broken, as you can see. So now let's fit the new one. Now to fit the new parts, what we need to do, try to pull a bit the cable if you can. Okay, we need to pass first the cable inside this one. Okay, and then once it's here, see the black part will fit inside this. Okay, and then just to show you, because it will be difficult for me to show you like that on the camera, the other part I've actually unclipped it. Okay, and you see this part has to go here. Okay, so you put it inside, then you put it flat, the cable, and you clip it. Okay, see, now it's fitted. Okay, so first in the black part and then here. Okay, once it's fitted, then we put it back together. Okay, the new part is now fitted, as you can see, and now if I want to open it, it goes perfectly. Okay, if you want, if it's easier for you, you can dismantle this. Okay, you place the black part first, then after you fit the cable on the red part, and after you clip it back together. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now what to do, we'll just do exactly the reverse. We're gonna fit this part first inside, and we're gonna slide the screw inside this and screw it up. Now the part is fitted. Now, as you can see, it's beautiful. I just need to check now that it works. So we should hear the noise from the bonnet opening. There we go. Perfect. Done. That's it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the video and if you learned something new. Okay, stay tuned on the channel. You can subscribe if you want to, and see what else I've got. Okay, so let's see each other in the next video. Ciao.